General Albayalde, to Acting Regional Director, PRO3, General Petrosanta.
You're upperclassman, no?
I'm an upperclassman, sir.
Anong batch kayo?
Class 82, sir.
82.
Yes, sir.
86 sila.
Yes, sir. Si General Petrosanta is class 84, sir.
84. Sige po,
Yes,
go ahead.
Mr. Chair. According to that special report, to quote, the operation was a result of a week-long surveillance and case built up by members of PIB page stock of this office, Intelligence and Anti-Illegal Drug of the Pampanga Police Office. On November 29, 2013, Police Superintendent Rodney Baloyo received an information from a certain Bullet, a civilian informant regarding an alleged drug pushing activity at Lakeshore, Mexico, Pampanga. Police Superintendent Baloyo immediately informed the undersigned. The undersigned is Police Senior Superintendent Oscar Albayalde. About the said information, the undersigned immediately instructed subject PCO to conduct case build-up against the suspect and possible conduct of a bypass operation. Ibig sabihin, sir, well-informed, sir, yung provincial director. I myself was as a commander. Although I never became a provincial director, I was a district commander. Pag may mga ganyan na, sir, na high-profile na operation, nakatutok ka na, sir, dyan. And blow-by-blow account, pinapadalang ka, sir, niyan. Blow-by-blow account, na monitor mo. So, ako, sir, I'm just wondering why hindi, sir, nalaman ni, who was then the provincial director, General Albayalde, kung ano yung nangyayari doon sa loob. Binulag ba siya ng mga tao niya? Hindi ko, sir, alam. Pero the SOP, the standard operational procedure is almost every 30 minutes, 1 hour, lalo-lalo na pag may nakuha ng talagang high-profile na significant na staff, nag-feedback na yung kanyang team leader doon sa provincial director. And during that time, sir, nakami, sir, nila General Bato, when he was my provincial, he was my chief PNP. And I was the number 3 in the Philippine National Police and chairman of the Oversight Committee. Ang pinag-usapan, sir, namin lagi is, kailangan natin, sabi niya, sir, sa akin, sir, kailangan tulungan mo ako, nalinisan, sir, natin ang ating bakuran.
Sabi ni General Bato
sir,
sa'yo?
ni Senator Bato sa akin.
Oo.
So, yun, sir, ang kwan namin. Talagang kailangan, sir, natin, before we launch a very extensive and aggressive campaign, maglinis muna tayo ng bakuran. So, I'm just wondering, sir, why in this particular case, naging selective tayo sa paglinis ng bakuran. Considering the fact, sir, looking at the gravity of the offense, bakit natin pinayagan na gano'n na lang? Na unang-unang naging demotion na lang. Pangalawa is, recently, saan ba, sir, assign itong mga tao na to? One is even the chief of police. Yung iba, sir, nasa intelligence community. Are we really, if I may ask the Philippine National Police, are we really determined to really, come up with a really aggressive campaign against drugs? Pag nandito naman na selective tayo sa mga tao natin.